Yep. Good morning. All right. I'm actually tracking some showers and thunderstorms. We had a cluster move off the coast a couple hours ago. Got Bath and Brunswick with some thunder and lightning, some heavy rain. New cluster coming down from the north, right over Gray, New Gloucester, coming down Route 100. Raymond, looks like Windham, and maybe down into Westbrook too if it holds together. There's some really heavy rain with this. 4 inches in an hour. That's intense rainfall. Obviously, it's not going to rain for a full hour. But if you're driving in this area, you're probably going to end up pulling over to the side of the road because the rain will be blinding and there could be some temporary flooding issues too. So keep that in mind. The Gray, New Gloucester area moving south toward Windham and Westbrook. Temps are in the low to mid 60s right now. Dew points have ticked up. We were really comfy earlier this week. Now it's slightly stickier. It's not like it was in July when it was oppressive, but you'll notice a little more humidity in the air. We're going to be under the gun and have a few more storms fire up later on today because this trough will be over us all day long. Finally tomorrow, this high moves it out and we get back into less of a rain chance tomorrow and also on Saturday. Sadly, I don't think we're going to see a lot of sunshine today. First of all, there's going to be way more cloud cover. Secondly, we still have so much smoke in our atmosphere. Even when the sky is clear and there are no clouds up there, it doesn't look blue. You can barely see the sun. So it's going to be highly filtered today, even if those clouds part at times. And I do think they will this afternoon. An isolated shower chance midday, not overly warm either. We'll have more of a sea breeze this afternoon, more cloud cover and scattered showers and thunderstorms too. Now, if we get a thunderstorm this afternoon, obviously the heavy rain is the primary threat. A few, though, could pulse and get a little gusty on us or include some small hail. Not likely to be a severe storm, but 1 or 2 may flare up, and we'll keep an eye on the radar this afternoon for you. Low 70s for the coastline for highs. Mid 70s inland, perhaps 1 or 2 towns, especially Canadian border area from Calais up to Caribou, get to the upper 70s, but most communities are below the average, which is upper 70, 79 or so. The trough starts to move out tomorrow. Saturday's looking real good. Even Sunday isn't bad. Ernesto will likely be impacting Bermuda as a hurricane. I am confident, though, and can almost guarantee that this is not going to be an East Coast hit, but we'll have indirect impacts from it, like huge swell. Surfers are going to be out there, I'm sure. If you're going to check out waves, please be careful. If you're going in the water this weekend, please be careful. There will likely be some rip currents too. And then some moisture interacts with this front, mostly on Monday. That's the day the front comes through. So I don't think there'll be much rain at all over the weekend, which is good news for us. Ernesto has strengthened to a hurricane. It's a Cat 1 east of the Bahamas right there and moving north. And if it doesn't make a direct hit on Bermuda, it'll be super close and probably a pretty powerful hurricane, either a Cat 2 or Cat 3. And then likely sliding just south of the Canadian Maritimes. But Cape Breton and parts of Newfoundland still have to keep a close eye on Ernesto. Marine forecast sees 1 to 3 feet, southeast wind light, and water warm in the 60s. Mostly cloudy today with scattered showers, scattered thunderstorms, mostly this afternoon, around 75. Tomorrow's better. We'll have more sun in the afternoon, although it's still probably dirty from the smoke up there. An isolated shower mostly in the mountains. Saturday, great, sun and clouds, 80 degrees. Sunday, really small chance for a shower in the afternoon. And it looks like most of the showers we see as Ernesto goes by and the next front comes in will be Monday afternoon. And then we're clearing out for the middle of next week. And the weather looks mighty good, mighty good.
All right, more good than not there.
Yeah, definitely.
For sure. Thank you, sir.